Hey guys, it's Taya. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am sporting a new wig today, and in this video we're going to be talking a little bit about this new wig that I just picked up. So if you are interested in knowing more details about this wig, keep watching. Okay, so in styling this wig, all I really did was cut off the lace around the perimeter and I placed her on my head, and she did come with baby hair, so I used just the slightest bit of the baby hairs to swoop over. I do want to point out that the other baby hairs down here are actually my baby hairs. This wig has a pretty small cap. I would not call this wig big head friendly at all, because the reason that my baby hairs are out right here is because this is as far as the cap goes on my head. On both sides, my edges are exposed here and the cap stops right here. So I wouldn't call this wig big head friendly at all. I like the style of this wig, but I do feel like the style that it looks like, how it looks on me right now, although this is very pretty, I feel like I wanted it to look more like Sis's on the stock card, and I feel like it looks kind of different when you actually put the wig on yourself. So while it's still pretty, it's not exactly what I expected. Okay, so this wig is pretty long. Let me stand up so that you can see how far down she comes. So she comes down, so this is my breast, she comes down to about belly button level on me. One con of this wig to me is that she is super tangly to me, like right out of the package. She was just getting really tangled on herself already right out of the package. So I don't know how comfortable I would be wearing this out if I had to go to like an all-day event. I think she's super pretty for pictures, maybe super pretty if you're going to like your mama house for Thanksgiving and you want to look kind of cute on the holidays and just kind of sit, not move too much and just be cute. I think she's good for that, but I don't think that she's really good for being out and about. Besides that, there's also a good amount of, yeah, she's still shedding. this wig really sheds as well. So definitely tangles, definitely has shedding, neither of which things I am crazy about, nor would most people be. I think that the color is really, really pretty. She's a little shiny to me. I don't know. She's not that bad, but she has a sheen to her that I don't really care for. Also, she is a silkier texture. I typically like more of the yaki textures, but she is a pretty silky, shiny wig, if you ask me. I also think that she is pretty thin. I don't know what I was really expecting, but she's pretty thin, so I don't like that either. I don't think I like this wig. Okay guys, so I'll go ahead and wrap it up. I think this wig is super duper pretty. I think if I had to, oh, see how tangly? Okay guys, so this is Dashly Lace Unit 7. This is what she's looking like in the color Money Piece Hazel. To sum up my thoughts about this wig, I think that she's very, very pretty. The color is really stunning, but she is not one of my favorite wigs at all, for reasons that I mentioned in this video. But I also feel like she's a bit too long. I know that's a preference thing. Some people will really like that, but I think for how synthetic she looks and how thin she is, the length doesn't flatter that at all. I don't know. I don't like it. I would definitely wear this wig in pictures, but I'm not gonna wear her out, unfortunately. So if I had to give this wig a rating of a 1 to 10, I would give her about a 5.5, and I might bump that up to a 6 just because the color is really, 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 really pretty. I actually think I'm going to cut her. I'm going to cut her. I would not wear her out this long. That's just me personally. I think I'm going to go ahead and cut her to about right here. Ooh, yeah, I like that. What do you guys think? I like that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut her to about this. I like that a lot better. She's just too long. She's just too long. That's what it is. Okay guys, so those are my thoughts on the Sensationnel Dashly Lace Unit 7 wig in the color Money Piece Hazel. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of this wig, or if you've tried this wig and what you thought about her. Also, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do make sure that you hit that subscribe button before you take off today, and make sure you like this video as well on your way out. I am out of here guys. I will catch you in the next video.